My technique for these is I build the inside frame first on the ground, set it in place, and then I attach the trim over it. And since these four are the same, I'm gonna go ahead and make all four of these first and then put them in place. I know I said I was gonna make all four of these two on the outside and these two on this outside all at once. Just better safe than sorry. I'm gonna test fit this first one to make sure that it fits so I don't make four incorrectly. And all the rest of the ones I've installed, I've kind of done them the same way, and I haven't been super technical about it. And I'm sure there are a lot of professional trim carpenters who would critique this. Probably should. I'm not a professional trim carpenter. The main thing I've tried to do is, when I put them in here, is just to get an equal reveal along the edge of this. I'm trying to get the same amount of reveal all the way around. So I just kind of adjust the window till it looks about the same, because even if it's around a 1/16 of an inch off over this long of a span, you're not really gonna see it. The next piece I'm gonna put in is this bottom piece of trim that goes across here. But because it's so long and I'm up so high, I can't hold both ends of it and put it in place. Since I don't have an extra set of hands and Amanda's not here, I'm just tacking a little block on each end. And this will hold the trim while I tack it into place. have a few touch-ups to do, but pretty much the accent wall is done. I really like the way this looks. It kind of breaks up the room from being so stark in here. The color we've used on most of the walls in here is called gallery white, which is kind of how we wanted the house to look, almost like an art gallery. But since this giant window wall was such a feature, we wanted to make it stand out even more. I think painting it a contrasting color really helps. It seems like darkening this up kind of cozied up the room a little bit to us. So I guess I'll just end this one here. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you to everyone who did subscribe. We finally hit the big goal of 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize our channel. So thank you all so much who did subscribe. I'm gonna get back to work knocking out some of this trim this afternoon. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Command Center to Ops Team 143, do you copy? Repeat, Command Center to Ops Team 143, do you read me?
Any word from Captain Bob yet?
No word yet, Commander. I was attempting to make contact with Ops Team 143, but no luck there either. They must have moved underground during their search. It's blocking our signal.
And they're the ones assigned for finding Captain Bob?
Yes, sir.
And who all do we have on this team?
Only two, sir. Troopers Andy and Steve.
So, we have some of our best men on the team then? Well, I mean, pretty good.
Meh.
Well, we have someone on it.
Alright.
Very well. Carry on and let me know the moment you regain contact with them or Captain Bob. I'll apprise the Admiral of the situation.
I'm sure they'll find him eventually. I know how important it is to locate Captain Bob, sir.
Eh.